Hi there, it's Tim from Tim's Electric, and today we have another installment of What Should He Buy or She Buy? I'm really always encouraged by people, and I really appreciate it when you guys email me directly. You can get my email address right from my YouTube channel if you just click on the About page. And in this particular instance, Cesar requested my help on, what scooter should he buy? Cesar wrote that he's 6 feet tall, he weighs about 300 pounds. He prefers the idea of a dual motor with suspension. Range, he's looking at about 20 to 25 miles if possible, and his budget is $2,000 US. He saw my review of the Varla, and that grabbed his attention. He really liked that. He asked if I'd reviewed any of the Nanrobots, and I haven't. I've reached out to them, but they haven't replied. So he's just wondering, what would I recommend? And if you're watching this video and based on his criteria, what do you think he should look at? Put that down in the comments down below. I always love having that sort of collaboration with some of the viewers. I mean, you guys know so much, and you've certainly, across all the people that are watching this video, everybody's got some really cool ideas and some opinions. So please do share those right down in the comments down below. So depending on price, off-roading may or may not be all that necessary. Apparently he found me on Reddit, which I'm not on Reddit at all. I've never actually looked on Reddit, so that was kind of neat. I'll go and take a look at Reddit later on, see what's in the Reddit world. And yeah, let's get forward. So to answer his question, I actually think the Varla would be a really good fit. It's big enough and powerful enough to get my big butt up and down the hills. And back when I got it, I was 300 pounds. So, I'm a lot lighter now, but still, the thing was fantastic. Range is always going to be an issue for us bigger guys. So I think it's going to be closer to that 20-mile mark for him. That's at least what I found. Depending on how you ride it, though. Like if you rode it a little bit more slowly, then you probably get a little bit more mileage out of it. So I actually think the Varla Eagle 1 is probably going to be a really good fit for him. The other option is, now I haven't done the review, but it's actually over on my shoulder over here, is the Q-Power 2. Now that's got a much bigger battery and it's a much bigger machine. So really depends. Like if you needed a scooter that, you got to go a little bit further than Cesar, then you might even look at the Q-Power 2. Price point, it's going to be a little bit above your budget, but that might be a really good fit. I'm going to be doing a full review. This is the first day that I've seen sunshine in about 9 days, so it's been really socked in here on the island. I'm really hoping that I can get out there tomorrow and do the review from the Q-Power 2. But, if it does rain, it means it's going to be delayed a little bit longer. Anyway, enough about the rain. Thanks for watching. Put your comments down below. Let's see if we can't help Cesar make a decision as to which scooter to buy. And I look forward to reading those comments. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.